Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. There is a very important notification published on website of NMC. Okay, you need to see if you want to see this notification and download. You want to visit on the website of NMC and it's very important. So please watch the video until end because it will impact a lot on your counseling results and process how you have planned. Okay, before that, if you are new to the channel, you can subscribe it. You can also avail a paid counseling guidance. Okay, you can call on the number 9319128677 and you can have some important assets you can look at in the description of the video. So I won't delay it further and let's focus on the topic. So the subject says schedule of NEET PG counseling for the academic year 2021, MD MS diploma. When I say diploma, it's not NB diploma, it's diploma courses in government medical college or deemed university, and DNB courses is regarding that. See, the government is trying to streamline the process and make the process easier for the candidates and easier for the counseling authority and our all fraternity. They are working on it and it's related to that. Okay, so this is the letter you can read. It's by Director Professor B. Srinivasan, ADG and Member Secretary, okay, MCC. The important part is the schedule, counseling schedule for the, see, we have already got the schedule for MCC, okay, and now there is schedule for state quota. So you have to read each and everything clearly. PG courses, MD, MS, Diploma, PG, DNB. Okay, for all India quota 50%, central and deemed universities AFMC and PG DNB 100% seats. Many candidates are confused that 50% seat will go for a state in DNB. Can we do DNB from a state also? No, 100% seats are in MCC. There is no DNB course through a state quota. Okay, the schedule for round 1 for all India quota or MCC is starting from 12th, that is tomorrow, up to 21st, and the joining date is 28th. Okay, now coming to the crux of the video, they have published the schedule for a state counseling. You can see the last column, state counseling to be conducted by respective state counseling authorities. So as many states are there in India, all the state authorities need to be prepared and they need to conduct the counseling from 20th of Jan 2022 to 24th of Jan, and the last joining will be 2nd of Feb. So they have given relatively very less time for state counseling to be conducted. Okay, and it's after MCC counseling is over. So after MCC counseling round 1 is over, before the joining formalities completes finally, so you will be able to see your result for round 1 MCC counseling round 1 result, and then you can proceed for state counseling. See earlier how it's different from last year. Last year all the state authorities like you take Telangana, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, okay, they used to have their separate time schedule. Okay, you see this year also the registration for Pondicherry, Tamil Nadu, and registration for Himachal Pradesh, Pondicherry and Himachal Pradesh has already completed their choice filling also. Okay, so it's all happening in very haphazard manner. There is no schedule for state counseling and it's very difficult for the candidates to make the decision how to decide whether you get the seat in round 1 and how to plan accordingly. Suppose you come from Telangana. In Telangana you have CAT A and CAT B. Okay, they have their own schedule. Okay, there is no sequence and there is no particular time frame, but this time they are time framing it all the counseling process for a state. So all the counseling authorities, whether it's Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Bihar, West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, any, they have to complete their counseling process between 20th to 24th, which on other side looks not very practical, because in 1 year you are asking all the counseling authorities, different bodies, they will have their own technical issues in the website, and due to technical issues they will have complaints from the candidates. They need to try to solve it out, and in just a time frame of 5 days it looks impractical to, it's just my opinion, okay, based on their previous history. So the crux is all India round 1 will be completed, then state round 1 will start, and after that round 2 all India will start, and then round 2 state will start. Mop up round of all India will start, and then after completion of mop up round, state round mop up round will start. So it has to be like all India 1, then state 1, all India 2, then state 2, all India mop up, then state mop up, all India stay vacancy, then state stay vacancy round. So it has to be followed in this sequence from this year. They are trying to do it, and thus notification says. And how is going to impact? Take an example of Karnataka state. Karnataka is one of the states where is open state first of all, and a lot of good medical colleges in the private. Okay, and it's open state. So candidates used to go after if any candidate doesn't get seat in all India quota government colleges or DNB, they will go for Karnataka. And Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, these are the states are like one of the states where the registration process will start early, and they will try to finish it on the time. But states like Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, these all states used to delay their process. Last year we were able to see when the round 2 was happening in some other states, Bihar was not able to do complete its round 1 itself. And if you are looking for particular states, then you have to wait along, and it's very risky if you don't get the seat in that state which you are waiting for, and the counseling process for the state is getting delayed. You compromise with your seat and take in all India quota or some other open state. So if the majority of the candidates or more candidates are jumping for the seat for particular state like Karnataka or any other state, the cutoff goes high for particular state. So it doesn't balance out. Okay, with this schedule the cutoff will get balanced out. Okay, because the low budget private colleges are in Bihar also, and some other state also. If you are going for lower clinical subject like anesthesia, ophthalmology, radiotherapy, psychiatry, then it's available in other states also, in Punjab also. Okay, so the cutoff will get balanced out, and you will have a better planning compared to last year, that how you need to plan. Okay, so you need to think through it. There can be several scenarios. You get your satisfactory seat in round 1, then you join round 1, and then you want to try your luck in state quota round 1, then you will have the result published within a given time frame. And so take an example, after round 2, if you want to leave the seat, there will be a defined amount of penalty based on the dates. So the dates also they will able to define in accordance with the state counseling result, so that you can decide by that date, and you can plan that okay, you are getting seat from a state round, then paying this much penalty, and you can take seat in state round. All such plannings you can do. Okay, because now it's very like in sequence manner, but how probable and how practical it is, the time will only tell, because it's very short time period. You can see 12th to 21st, it has almost 10 days time. Okay, and for state counseling it has 5 days to complete the counseling process. For round 2, 3rd to 11, 8 to 9 days, and for state is 5 days only. For mop-up round, 24th to 4th March. So for all India they have given more time, and for a state is less time. You should have been otherwise. Okay, other way around, because state counseling will have its own rules and regulation, and they need to streamline everything within the given time frame. Okay, so it will impact a lot on how you have planned. You will get benefit, mostly you will get benefit. There won't be negative impact, since they are trying to streamline the process. So you will definitely get benefit, and in the well ahead time you can plan it. Okay, that if you are getting a seat, you are expecting a seat based on the last year analysis, then how you should plan your counseling. Okay, so we will keep you updating, and from tomorrow the registration is starting, and you got all the schedule available with you. Okay, so if you have any doubt, you can for the doubt, I won't recommend you calling onto the number directly. We are more busy with the paid members, and you can drop a WhatsApp message for the queries or you can drop a comment in the comment section of the video. So we'll meet again with some other important updates. Hope this video was useful to you, and I try to make some sense out of it, and we'll meet again once. Okay, so thanks for watching and have a great day.